I'm Ramkrishnan, a resident of Primus Reflection. I'm staying in B block, B901. We have moved into Primus Reflection more than a year back, and right from the inception, and we have been living here. Now we consider this to be excellent facility for the senior citizens, because most of the day-to-day chores are being taken care of in terms of food, in terms of medical health and extracurricular activities which are being held from time to time. Now, especially during this time of crisis of COVID-19, we have been now under lockdown situation for more than a month, and during this period we are very fortunate to have been living in this place, because we feel absolutely no difference from the normal times in terms of availability of food on time, in terms of the hygiene which is being maintained. Though there was some slight hiccup in terms of the general cleanliness, because the labor could not reach the place from their residences under the lockdown. Even in spite of it, I think the management made sure that at least on alternate days the cleaning up is being done with the skeleton staff, and the general cleanliness and hygiene is being maintained. In addition to that, the medical facilities are also excellent. We have 2 staff nurses living in the premises, and in addition to that, a doctor is also qualified. Doctor is also available during the daytime for any normal ailment on a day-to-day basis. And as far as medicines availability goes, we are quite lucky that we just are able to phone up the pharmacy and the medicines get delivered to us on the same day without any interruption. And therefore, the people who are in need of such medical help are also not inconvenienced. In addition to that, the management is taking care of the special requirements of certain people. If at all they do want to visit some of their other residences for the purpose of bringing some medicines or clothing or whatever, they arrange for the transport and bring them back. There is a tight lockdown which is being practiced in the sense that we are not allowed to go out of the premises at this time, but we are free to go for a morning and evening stroll within the premises, which is providing us adequate exercise. In addition to that, we had physiotherapy classes on a regular basis, which is now continued even during the lockdown period, in terms of the videos of the various exercises being sent by the physiotherapist on a daily basis, making sure that we exercise regularly as we did before. So from the point of view of living, I think we have felt absolutely no difference, and we are really lucky and fortunate to be living in this place at this time of crisis. So we thank Primus and its staff for their excellent support, and even during this period, they are always pleasant to deal with a smile on their face, and they try to solve the problem to the maximum extent possible. So we once again thank Mr. Adarsh and his team for his excellent service provided during this time of crisis. Thanks.